What's good, fam? It's your boy Eli, and welcome back to Mad Kicks, where we're always bringing you the freshest heat from the sneaker world. Today, we're diving into the Nike Air Max 1000, a concept sneaker that's redefining the iconic Air Max lineage and reshaping how sneakers are made. Nike has teamed up with Zellerfeld to introduce a fully 3D printed silhouette that takes the DNA of the legendary Air Max 1 and pushes it into the future. This bold new design doesn't just look different, it feels revolutionary. The Air Max 1000 showcases intricate lattice structures in a sculptural design, possible only through 3D printing technology. This method brings unparalleled precision in cushioning and fit, combining form and function in a way that feels ahead of its time. By leveraging 3D printing, Nike and Zellerfeld aren't just making waves in design, they're also leading a charge toward more sustainable production processes. The Air Max 1000 represents a future where technology drives innovation while reducing waste and enhancing efficiency. While this concept sneaker is still experimental, it's clear that it sets the stage for the next evolution of the Air Max franchise. It's a perfect marriage of heritage and cutting-edge technology, blending tradition with bold innovation to shape the future of sneaker culture. What do you think, fam? Is the Air Max 1000 the future of sneakers, or is it too bold of a step forward? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Stay fresh, stay fly, and I'll catch you in the next one.